In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your daily limit on the Capitec app. If you want to adjust how much you can spend or withdraw each day, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so it's quick and easy. First, open the Capitec app on your phone and log in using your pen, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Cards section. This will take you to a page where all your card options are displayed. At the bottom of this page, you'll see an option called Update Permanent Limits. Tap on this to proceed. You'll notice there are two types of limits available: permanent limits and temporary limits. Since we're focusing on changing your daily limit, start with permanent limits. On the permanent limits page, you'll see your current limits for cash withdrawals, card machine purchases, and online scan-to-pay transactions. Adjust these amounts to the level you want. For example, cash withdrawals can be increased up to 5,000, card machine purchases up to 50,000, and online payments up to 50,000. Make sure to set each option according to your needs. If you only need a higher limit temporarily, you can also adjust the temporary limits. These limits automatically reset after a few days, which is useful for large or one-time purchases. Tap on temporary limits, increase the necessary options, and save your changes. Once you've made all the adjustments, tap Update to confirm. Your daily limit is now changed, giving you more flexibility for withdrawals, purchases, or online transactions. And, by following these steps, you can manage your Capitec daily limits safely and conveniently, all directly from your phone.